Hello everyone, rumor has it that there will be a 400cc four-cylinder model to replace Honda's CB400 Super 404, which has ended production. The latest information will also be equipped with the latest technological Honda e-clutch system. And what the details are like, let's discuss it. The long-selling CB400 SF has led the 400cc class since its introduction in 1992. The bike boasted exceptional rideability and equipment thanks to its inline four-cylinder engine, but it's still fresh in our minds that it was inducted into the Hall of Fame as a model year 2022. However, as previously reported, there are rumors that Honda is developing a 500cc four-cylinder model in China, and a 400cc version may be released globally. Furthermore, according to new information, it looks like a Honda e-clutch will be installed. This is a new technology that allows vehicles to be driven without requiring clutch operation and can also be operated manually. I hope the new CB with added conveniences will be revived by the end of 2024. The main point of the Honda e-clutch is that you can always choose whether to use the clutch lever or not. When the system is turned on, the entire process from start to stop is controlled electronically without a lever, and the engine does not stall. However, gear changes must be done using the foot pedal. On the other hand, simply pressing the lever will immediately switch to normal manual operation. Even though it is easy to use, it doesn't reduce the fun of operating. In response to this, rumors circulated that Honda would develop a new four-cylinder model for China. China is a country that also supports round models such as the Z900 RS and Cross Cub 110, Kawasaki's M-Tour Sport Straight 4, the ZX4R introduced after production of the CB400 SF ended, is also doing well. The Harley X350 is produced in China and sold locally, and the 400cc class is booming. The concept is not yet known, but I expect it to be easy to ride and as fast as the CB400 SF. In addition to the usual manual operation, if you add an e-clutch that allows easy operation without the need for a clutch lever, it will be a real bonus. In the domestic 400cc class, the Honda CB350, ZX4R, and Cruiser Eliminator performed well. If the CB4000, which was once the leader in its class, returns with the latest e-clutch, it will definitely make the class even more exciting.